Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a 360 photo on your Google Maps. Okay, so open your Google Maps application right away. So when you open your Google Maps application, you wait for it to load. So when the Google Maps application has finished loading, you come and look for a place where you want to add the pics. Okay, so let's assume I want to add the photos on this TV called Top TV here. So I'll tap on Top TV. All right, so when I tap on Top TV, I wait for it to load. So when it has finished loading, I'll scroll up like this. Okay, so when you scroll up like this, come to the photos section over here. This is the photos section. Okay, so when you come to the photos section, you come to add a photo over here. Okay, you come and choose add a photo. All right, so when you choose add a photo, come and choose folder. Okay, so you choose folder. All right, so when you choose folder, come and choose where the photo is located. So for my case, my 360 photo is in screenshots, so I'll choose it, then I add it like that, then I say done. All right, so when you're done adding your photo, you need to read all this, then you accept all this. Okay, so when you're done reading all this, you just come and tap on post. Okay, so let's go back. So this is our 360 photo. So when you're done adding it, you just tap on post, and when you finished posting it, that's all you need to do. That's how to add 360 photo on your Google Maps. Okay, as you can see, when you even add a 360 photo, they can give you a few points here. Okay, so that's how to add 360 photo on Google Maps. Okay, thank you for watching.